Hi, this is Manchester Youth Hack, February 2016. I've got team Marsdenos here. I think that's how you say the name. I'm sure they'll correct me if I get it wrong. So let's see what they've been up to for the last couple of days. Good guys. What's your name?
Marcel.
What's your name?
Ozzy.
Ozzy?
Yep.
And your name is?
Den.
What's that?
It's Den.
Den. Oh, is this how you got your name there?
Yeah.
Oh, the name is the mixture of all your names.
Changed the spelling and...
Yeah. So what have you been working on for the last couple of days?
Top Trumps game. The BJSS challenge.
Yeah. And
it's just so it allows you to compare like systems, and it's based on like usability, functionality and compatibility, sort of things.
So and that's what you're comparing on the top trump cards?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So how have you put this game together then?
Well, we have a text file which contains all the stats, which is separate to the actual coding which they do.
Yeah.
That then codes like how it starts up and how the stats get compared on the actual game.
Yeah.
I just do like the continuous part of it. So like you can download other Top Trumps packs off the website that I've created. So I'm not actually.
So the idea is with you've kept the code of the game completely separate from the data on the cards then, and then so you can get different sets of cards then and just add it into the game. Yeah. That sounds really good. That sounds quite a sensible way to approach the game.
So that allows us to like create an online place to download other packs. So you can create packs that can go into the game, and I've made an online platform that allows you to do that.
So what have you written that in then for the pack?
I've written that in with the pack or the web.
No, I'm not interested about the packs. I'm interested about the website that you've got.
Oh, the website is that consists of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery. So.
Excellent. And what's been the most challenging thing getting that working?
I think for me it would probably be the jQuery, which I just solved now, which was quite confusing.
Sure.
Because it's new to me. So.
But you not used that before then?
No. Started that this like past 2 days. So.
Excellent. And it looks like you've been working on the design of some of the cards there, is that right? Or is that from somewhere else?
I'm working on the actual system, so I'm using VB for it. And I had to work on a way to like read the cards from the files and randomly distribute them to each of the players.
Yeah.
So like every game's like different.
So where are you getting your randomness from?
Random generators, and then moving this. There's like a structure for all the cards, and then make another structure for like each player, so we can distribute them to them structures, and then get it to work through the structures and again it's compare them on the stats they choose and giving the cards to like the winner.
And how do they choose which stat they're going to compare in each round?
Should work at some point. And when it's on here, it's not working. Just the idea is that show the
These are two players. So all three players are playing on the same screen. Yeah. You just see the person who's up next. That's the only card that's live on the screen. Yeah. Excellent. That's a good way to do that. Yeah. Looking good. I'll just move down here a bit to So what was your name again?
Ozzy.
Ozzy. And what have you been working on, Ozzy?
Well, I'm working on different parts of the system alongside Marcel. So like while Marcel works on like the main part of the system, like little bits like running in the background, like what I'm currently working on here. This is so like the way it works is that the file's downloaded from the website that Den's creating currently, and then what I'm working on is how it's going to copy the file from that folder to like the debug folder, because if it's in the debug folder, it'll be easier for the program to access. So the user wouldn't have to like go to the downloads folder every time they want to use that. Yeah. So like aside from like the main part, I also like give Hedena a helping hand with like the GUI and like just general ideas from time to time.
So what happens if somebody just goes into the text file in that folder and just modifies the cards that they have, or is that not possible?
Well, we've got like validation in there, so that if they did happen to modify it, it would show like an error, so it wouldn't crash the entire system. It would just tell them that they're not able to use that text pack then, and then it would probably like link them to the settings where they can go and download it again.
Excellent.
Yeah, to save the program from like crashing and all that hassle.
That's good. And what's been your most challenging thing for the last 2 days then?
I think the most challenging, because we gave C# a try yesterday, and C# was like, it's a language that's new to me. So like, I gave that a bit of a try, but it just wasn't happening like from basic to intermediate within like 6 hours. So that's probably
wasn't clicking that quick.
No, like I can make a console app in C#, but if you ask me to make the program that we're making now in C#, it's just not.
No. And how's it been working with these two guys then? Do you know them?
Yeah, like we go to the same college, and like Marcel's in one of my classes, and I know Den from somewhere in college. Yeah. And yeah, we just get along pretty well.
Excellent. So how do you think you're going to be for the demo this afternoon then?
Well, I think the demo's fine because I'm the one pitching, and I'd say I'm quite confident with the pitch. So as long as the program, like our program works well enough for me to be able to pitch it successfully, so it's I'm not really worried. Yeah.
Excellent. You confident as well?
Well, if we can get it working, then yeah.
You can get it working. What's the next challenge that you're working on then to get it working? Yeah.
It's just it reads the calls fine and it'll distribute them to them fine, but then it needs like currently it's not. There's something going wrong with the compare, and just I just need to fix that.
Need to fix that. Okay, excellent. Have you got enough to keep you busy then for like the next few hours?
Yeah, I still have to put the jQuery on here, which is I'm struggling how I'm doing it because I only know how to do it on one, but on multiple it'll be a different code, so I have to find how to do that as well.
Exactly.
So, yeah.
You enjoyed yourself this weekend then, guys?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You're going to be back again? Yeah. You were at the HackManchester one, weren't you? Yeah. I'm getting to recognise some of these faces here. Okay, see you around, guys.
It could be, except like, because you had it set on second.